Good evening, folks, and welcome again. This is just before I go to work. How I'm going to do the test on the DYNATRON amplifier. Now, we've got the scope on, got the signal generator on, we've got the amplifier resting on the arse of the record player. Here, got the transformer plugged in, we've got two JVC 4 ohm test speakers plugged in. So we're going to turn it on. We're not going to play the tone for as long as I absolutely have to, because it's annoying. So here we go. Now let's just set the scope up. Now let's adjust the trigger. There we go. My trigger control's a bit dodgy, folks. There we go. My trigger control's a bit dodgy, and as you can see, I'm going to have to sort this out. Right. The trigger control's dead noisy. It goes out of lock. It's not got how to do this, has it? Could have been. Let's turn that down a bit. As you can see, folks, that goes nice and smooth down, and nice and smooth up. The scratch filter needs a bit of a clean. The contour button, ooh, that makes it a bit louder. The balance. I'm not sure about that balance knob. I think that's the balance control's got a problem. But treble, bass, and volume. I just need to have a look at this, turn that down. In fact, I can turn it off now. I just need to have a look. And the capacitors are good. I've turned it off. And look at that. Still getting a signal even after it's turned off. Right. I'm sorry this is only a short video, folks, but you know, and the only thing I could put through it really was that tone, because I haven't got anything else. I haven't got anything really. I'll have to make a lead up so I can put like proper music through it or through or something. But believe it or not, I haven't got anything. I mean, what I'll have to do is make make up either RCA connections or something. Well, make up a jack. That can get a jack lead that can go into the into like an MP3 player or a phone or whatever, and crocodile clips on the other end, so it can be just clipped on straight onto the input of the amp, and I can monitor it through there, which is how I'm doing this. But I've had to solder the connections together of the input, and I must remember to take that off, which I'll do in a minute, and then it's done then, because it doesn't have to be tested again. It's been tested and it's working. I can turn the scope off now. I only needed it for that particular test, just to see if the traces were clear, and they are. They're lovely. So we're happy with that, folks. The output stages are working fine. I will check the balance control and replace it if I need to, because I'm pretty sure it should go dead on one side and not on the other, you know, it shouldn't, yeah. Anyway, I'll look into that and sort that out. But anyway, apart from that little issue, if it is an issue, apart from that, the rest of the amp, I'm happy with it. Working fine, that, folks. And I've just unplugged it. I'm now going to take that piece of wire off that I soldered across the input, so I could get both channels of the scope on. Right, well, thank you very much. I might pull my scope down and clean all the controls, because it doesn't really get a lot of use, and I've never had the top off. I've never cleaned that since I've had it, and I've had the thing for about 10 years. Right, I shall catch you later, folks, and thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.